Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn some easy PayPal money doing very dead simple online tasks, okay? And these are going to be very easy tasks that you just do online because there's a lot of people out there that need workers like you to do little things online for them. So these jobs are definitely out there for you to do. So I'm going to show you two different websites that you can earn money online this way, okay? But if you stay to the end of the video and you keep watching, I'm going to show you a much better way to earn big money, okay guys? All right, let's get started. Okay, the first site I want to show you is called Microworkers. What Microworkers is that it brings people who need jobs done online for them with the workers that are willing to do those tasks for them, okay? So this way it brings the people who have money to pay for these jobs to be done and people who wants to do the work for them in one place. So this is one of the types of website that provides this kind of service. And so if you're a person that were to need some help for your online website or business, you could choose one of these campaigns and get workers working for you. But if you're a worker, you just gotta go to all the way back to the top and you go register. Once you register, it's very easy to register. It's a free account. And once you register, I'm just going to show you some of the example jobs that are out there. Okay, you'll see that the payments here are very low, but you can do multiple of them. You could do tons of them. Okay, see, like something like this one, you just gotta go do your vote and then you take a screenshot to prove that you voted, and then you could do this like 4,600 times. So or they need this done 4,600 times. So there's lots of room to do multiple of these tasks so you can rack up the money to be able to pay out. So the tasks could be something like just searching for a video and then just liking, commenting, and subscribing to that channel, and you get 13 cents for that. So if 30 people, there are 30 tasks available for this one. Another YouTube one, you search, view, and subscribe and like. And then there's other things you can do. You could just sign up for things and you could get $6 bonus. I mean, it's just like weird. Like it could really range from anything, okay? And then look at here, you can just sign up for a website here. Swagbucks is actually another website that you can earn on, and it's actually a free site that you can just sign up to do more online tasks to earn money actually. So you get 40 cents just to sign up here. That's pretty easy, guys, okay? So there's a lot of different tasks that you can do online, and it's very, very easy, guys. There is no skills really needed. Look at all these sign up. All you gotta do is sign up with your email on these ones. Okay, 40 cents each just to sign up. So this is not very hard to do to earn money this way, okay? They do pay out by PayPal and Pioneer as well. So if you don't have access to PayPal, then you have that other option. So let's just go to their FAQs right here just to check out more information about these guys. So anyone can be a worker. You could be a stay-at-home mom, a student, or anyone. Basically, anyone can sign up. So how do I earn money? So all you gotta do is click on the tasks link and browse through the hundreds of listed tasks. Each task will display a set of instructions, the time to complete it, and the amount you will earn for finishing the job. If you believe you finished the task, you just gotta say I accept this job. And then the page will display a form where you can enter the proof required by the employer. Otherwise, click on not interested in this job and then you can just move on. And this is how you're going to get paid and when. So you need to have at least $9 plus fees in order to be able to place a withdrawal request. Okay, and that's for these options. Actually, they take Skrill as well. This is a different payment, just like a Pioneer. And so they also have PayPal. They have local funds transfer. For Pioneer, you need at least $20 plus 5% fees. Once you reach the minimum amount of withdrawal, you just click on the place a new withdrawal request link, and then you can then choose which way you want your money to be withdrawn. And then payments to workers are sent twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. Requested withdrawal amount using bank transfer via TransPay may be credited to your local bank within 3 to 5 business days. So that's pretty cool, right? This is a very good payment. So you do need to rack up a minimum payout plus the fees, guys. So you need to watch out for that. So this is just one site, and you might want to do another site too to see if you can earn even more. And this one is called Clickworkercom. This is a very similar site to the Microworker.com. Oh, the other one is Microworkers.com. So don't forget the S. This one is just Clickworker.com. And this one, it would be the same type, and you can click here to earn money as a click worker. And here is going to be the information of how this one works. It's going to be very similar. So how it works, you can sign up as a click worker free of charge. You work independently, your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer or mobile device with an internet connection. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. So there's all kinds of different jobs here too. You could create text, you could do organization, you can do copy editing, proofreading, searching the web, doing surveys, app testing, and even doing a mystery photographer. Who wouldn't want to enjoy getting paid for a weekly shopping trip? So there's a lot of fun things that you can do with this site as well. So this could be a very fun way to earn as well, because you get to do different things. But you know, you're not in general going to be making a lot of money from this type of website, because you're really just going to be trading time for money. And this way, you're never going to make any passive income. If you're interested in making more money, and the way the money is made is that it can even be passive, meaning that you could do the work once and you keep earning from that work that you do. And so this is how I make money online. I don't go to these little websites to do little jobs online. In order to make bigger money, I had to learn new skills, which I know you can do too. It is not that hard to learn. Just like you learned how to use the internet in the first place, you can learn how to make bigger money with the right program, that is. So if you check the first link in the video description below, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with the program that I've been using that makes me a good full-time income online, and you can do the same thing if you want to learn this way. Okay, guys? So that is up to you. If you want to make a little side income, you could use Microworkers.com or Clickworker.com, or you could click the link in the description below and try to learn how to make bigger money online, something that would really change your life, guys. Okay? So I hope you liked this video. Please give me a like if you did, and subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. Okay, guys? Thank you and have a great day. Bye.